Popular Nollywood actress, Ronke Ojo Anthony, popularly known as Ronke Oshodi Oke, is a Yoruba actress who began her acting career with a drama group called Star Parade under the leadership of Fadi, a Nigerian actor, but became an household name in the year 2000 when she featured in a movie titled Oshodi Oke, from which she got her stage name. She also a musician, launched her debut album on Sunday, November 16, 2015, at Times Square, Ikeja. She was born July 17. Ronke Oshodi Oke celebrated her birthday July 1974 in her house in Lagos with family, friends, and colleagues were at the get-together to support the celebrant.
Seriously, we need to address some issues going on in our videos. We discover people are watching our videos, and you guys, if you to subscribe. One will go to Abeokuta, we'll go to Ibadan, we'll go to so many places. It's not easy. You want the video finish now, you just watch it. Some people don't even like, you don't even comment, you just go ping. With all my saying, some of you will not even like. Please, meet that person, come and talk.
If I tell you all about my experience, where I'm just coming from, you guys will pity for me.
You know what? What this video, no subscribe, okay? Just go. Leave that.
And this is how you can subscribe to our channel. Below the video, you will see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. Beside the subscribe button, click on the bell also. This will notify you once we drop a new video.